Montero at Geneva Cruz, hiwalay na. Itong kinumpirma ni Geneva sa isang exclusive interview with entertainment writer Ricky Lo para sa kanyang Philippine Star column last Thursday. Matapos ang 10 taon ng kanilang on and off relationship, 6 years of which as husband and wife, after tying the knot on January 2004 in Seattle, Washington, tuluyan na ngang naghiwalay ang controversial couple. Lininaw ni Geneva ang spekulasyon ng pagkakaroon ng third party sa kanilang breakup, saying, "We still love each other, but then we have grown apart." Matapos ang kumpirmasyon, balitang bumiyahe pa China si Geneva para umiwas sa kontrobersya. Hindi rin makuna ng pahayag si Casey since he left for the US also last Thursday para manood ng Pacquiao-Clottey match. Samantala, sa anniversary show ng FHM Magazine, nakuna ng Showbiz Central ng reaksyon ang kapatid ni Casey na si Troy Montero, maging ang girlfriend nitong si Aubrey Miles sa issue.
Yeah, I know. Hindi ko alam eh. I just heard kanina. So I was just talking to him actually earlier. We're texting before he left and everything. He didn't say anything. I was there like a week ago. They're together with Heaven and everyone. They're okay. So
It was okay, Casey. I mean, you know.
So walang nababanggit na ano?
Wala.
So how do you feel na parang confused na?
Small moment of silence. Ewan ko, I don't know.
Kung may alam ka ko.
Wala. Honestly, wala. Wala talaga. Kung mag-iwalay sila, siguro talagang wala. I don't know. Alam mo yun?
Maging ang close friend ng mag-asawang si JR habang nasa contract signing for his new Kapuso projects, Party Pilipinas and Take Me Out, ikinagulat din ang balita.
Ngayon ko lang nabalita yan. Kung magkasama kami, hindi namin binabanggit kasi alam namin medyo may issue din eh. May gusto namin happy lang.
Sa kabila ng pag-amin ni Geneva sa interview, tila hinihintay ng mga taong malapit sa controversial couple ang mas malalim nilang paliwanag.
Of course, gusto ko marinig galing kay Casey and Geneva. Pero yeah, normal naman yun na may mga problema sa marriage.
I have to hear from him first.
Pag talagang sila nagsabi sa akin, oo, siguro mas surprise ako. Pero, hindi naman ako, walang feelings na, bakit naman, gano'n. Wala. Surprise na ako, pero walang...
Siyempre I'll be sad, but you know, also whatever, you know, I have to be supportive of my brother, so whatever makes them happy. Life is short, and if you're not with the one you're supposed to be with, then, you know, live your life, do your thing. But I hope, if this is their decision to be apart, well, diba? So hopefully, they can work things out.
Okay, Geneva Casey breakup mode. Did you see it coming?
Close naman ako kay Casey to an extent, and hindi ko medyo na-surprise naman din ako. I mean,
okay.
I only found out now dito sa show, so medyo nakaka-surprise din. Pero you know, one thing I can say about Casey, the way he fathers Heaven is unbelievable. One of the best dads na nakikita ko kay Casey, and the way he treats Heaven. So medyo na-surprise ako dun kasi mukhang okay naman yung
Ako
samahan
din,
niya.
kasi kaibigan ko din si Geneva na matagal ko na hindi nakikita. Pero I hope nga okay siya, tsaka kung ano man yun,
And now that it's
ayos
been
nila.
confirmed by Geneva herself sa column ni Ricky Lo,
Tama.
I only hope na syempre si Heaven mailagay naman sa magandang posisyon.
And sana hindi maapektuhan yung relationship ni Casey kay Heaven.
Yeah, and it should. They love each other. Both of them talaga. They really love each other. Both Heaven and Casey.
So pagbalik ni Casey galing sa Pacquiao fight,
Tignan natin.
sana ma-interview natin siya para
Sige.
makuha naman natin yung side niya. Kasi alam ko, for the past how many years, on and off din sila dahil Geneva would
Would
visit
be
the
here.
Philippines.
Tama,
Casey would still be in the States. So ask the details when he comes back.
We have a reaction from our Facebook from Reina Jaime, and she says, sayang ang pinagsamahan nila after all, that's 10 years of being married to each other.
Pero ganun talaga, you can't
Always
control
regrettable.
that, diba?
Ayan,
At
pero
syempre-
ito talaga, ang bonggang-bonggang Team
Ay, eto
RNQ.
na yung sayo.
Ayan,
Kanina pa
syempre,
tinitis.
patindi na po ng patindi ang leveling dito. Napagbakbakan na talaga ako. For fun, ha? Kaya tumutok lang po kayo, halina't sumabak sa kakaibang uri ng martial arts. Pati martial arts, pinasok ko na
Talagang
po.
ginawa mo na
Todo
lahat.
na, kaya watch this. Hello mga taga-showbiz
Central, yes. At sa mga taga Team RMQ, go, go, go! Bakit fit na fit at energetic ng bonggang-bongga ang dalawang kapuso na very, very hangs na makakasama natin ngayon? Oh my, I tell you why. Yan ay dahil sa Muay Thai. Ayan, may feelings ha. Come on guys, ayan. Ay, nakaka-nervous pala.
Ako ba si Ian Batterson, 21 years old, 4 ng taon ako nagmo-Muay Thai.
Ako si Jace Flores, 21 years old, 6 years na nagmo-Muay Thai.
Ano nga ba ang Muay Thai? Muay Thai.
Well, Muay Thai kasi para siyang, it's a martial art that originated from Thailand.
It's the science of 8 limbs. You use your elbows, you use your
Science
knees,
of?
8 limbs.
Bakit di naman nakahilingang mag-Muay Thai?
Well, before kasi when I was 15, I started fighting na yung MMA, mixed martial arts. Tapos parang nasama na rin yung Muay Thai as a martial arts.
I do it for self-defense and fitness and to look cool. Good sweat, you know, and like I love sparring. It's awesome.
Kaya pakitaan nyo kami ng mga Muay Thai moves ninyo. At syempre gusto ko rin matuto ng konti lang naman ng Muay Thai. Tutukan niyo po ako. Oh my, ako'y mag-Muay Thai.
Keep your arms up. It's like they can get you. They can
Keep your
get you.
arms up and
Yeah,
then...
get
1, 2,
And then hook. Jab, straight. Palaging. Nilalayo mo ang mukha mo sa kanya.
talaga na
Yeah. Always cover. Cover the face. Pag-left.
Ready na agad, di ba?
Ready na agad. Hindi ka ganon, di ba?
Taas naman. Talaga gano'n.
Balik ka rin gumanon.
Hindi ko cover ko nga. Taga Showbiz Central, yan ang Muay Thai. Oh, di ba? Ang martial arts na kinahihiligan ng mga kapuso nating sina Jace at Ian. At kung gusto niyo pong maging fit na fit, tulad ng mga very, very hangs na to, mag-Muay Thai na kayo.
Sa amateur video na ito, nakuha mismo ng Showbiz Central host Raymond Gutierrez. Isang nakakagulat na pangyayaring nakunan. Ngayong linggo, ang bawat isa kina Raymond, Pia, Sweet, Rufa May at Mo ang kukuha sa mga pinaka nakakaintrigang pangyayari sa likod ng kamera. Sino ang makaka-record ng pinaka-scandalous na video? Abangan sa Huli Cam! A special assignment feature for Showbiz Central hosts. Abangan! Tukan si Doc Manny, live na live sa Seriously Don't Lie to Me. Ano ba talagang nangyari sa mukha ni Dr. Pai? Susunod na si dating batikang comedian at politician na pagala-gala na lang daw ngayon sa Maynila.
Araw-araw siya dyan, nag-aalmusal, tatangalian, tapos maghapon-hapon, paikot-ikot lang dyan. Pag hanggang inabot na ng gabi, hanggang doon, mula roon, paikot-ikot lang siya.